This is an unboxing of the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, the Huntsman Black. It's the only Swiss Army knife I have in black color. The model number is 1.3713.3. Barcode, made in Switzerland. This, I think, is gonna be probably my favorite Swiss Army knife. Huntsman, I got it in black, especially I wanted it to be different, made in Switzerland. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's see. Okay, oh, black. Oh, bit of oil marks, but wow, it's so stylish. These oil marks, they are very visible on the black. Oh wow. And here this line, they all have this kind of line. I think it's from the paper, maybe when the paper is sitting next to it. But wow, this is so stylish compared to the red. Each one has its own appeal, but wow. Okay, yeah, I think this is the paper. It's oil. Yeah, it's not scratch. Oh, it's so really feels super solid. I don't know why I like this one, because of the color probably. Color makes it feel solid. There's a lot of oil marks here. We have the keychain ring and this holder. There is the traditional toothpick. I like the color, really. Very tight tweezers. Okay, so stylish, really. The corkscrew. There is a hook. A bit hard to open this one. Parcel hook. The owl. Let's see what's on the front side. Let's start from here. There is a small blade with some lines on it. Very sharp. It really goes well with the black. Victorinox Swiss made stainless. Okay, Officer Swiss stainless. Have to be very careful with this blade, it's really sharp. They are all really so sharp when they come new. So we have a nice saw blade. So yeah, we have the scissors. The spring can be replaced. Okay, and can opener and flat or Phillips head screwdriver, and the cup lifter with the flat head screwdriver. Pretty nice, this one. Locks halfway and really powerful locking there. This is the Victorinox Huntsman black. I like the color.